is a pretty expensive phone. It comes in at $1,399 for 128 gigabytes of storage and $1,599 for 512 gigabytes of storage. It only comes in two different colors. It comes in a cosmic gray and a cosmic black, and this is the cosmic gray color. Snapdragon 865 with an Adreno 650 GPU. It's got 12 gigabytes of RAM or 16 gigabytes of RAM if you have the 512 gigabyte of storage version. You can also add a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte through the SIM card slot. I'll show you in a little bit. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and then 5G, including millimeter wave and sub-6. So that means it will be on T-Mobile in the United States or Verizon with millimeter wave in specific cities on specific street corners. Now the phone has Gorilla Glass 6 on it. It has a dynamic AMOLED 6.9-inch display, 3,200 by 1,440 pixels. It's got a 20:9 ratio and it's 509 pixels per inch. It also has 120 Hz smooth display and supports HDR10+. It has an under-the-screen fingerprint sensor, just like the S10 Plus, and also has reverse wireless charging. Now, when we're talking about the specs of the front-facing camera, it's a 40-megapixel camera that should be really impressive, and also records in 4K. Now, when it comes to the cameras on the rear, we have a 108-megapixel optical image-stabilized camera. We also have a 48-megapixel telephoto zoom camera,